Hotkey to switch input language in Windows 7. I'm using Windows 7 and I'd like to define a custom hotkey to change between different input languages. I know that I can change them to Control plus Shift, Left Alt plus Shift, or the grave accent, but I don't like either of these. So is there a way to define something like Control plus Space to switch the input language?
I think Windows doesn't natively support changing these keys. Anyway, you can write an Autoit script to listen for custom key bindings and programmatically send one of the predefined keyboard shortcuts to the system to change the keyboard layout. Just download and install Autoit. Use this link to download and install, and create a file with an .au3 extension. Copy and paste the code above and save it. You can place this file into your startup folder if you want it to be opened when you log in.
The script above didn't work for me, but I modified it, and now it does.
In Windows 7, under Control Panel, \region and language, \keyboards and language, select Change Keyboards. You will get a little pop-out window. There chose Advanced Key Settings, which allows you to set combinations to directly get each target keyboard, as well as the general switching key sequence.
Alternative answer. If two keyboard layouts don't differ by many symbols, you could add Alt modifiers for the foreign language, say, standard US layout symbols on the Alt layer of a German keyboard, with a utility like Auto Hotkey or similar. Or, create a key map for the OS, which is the more correct way of doing it. Never have to switch and wonder which language is active, can be very distracting. You may access the Alt layer often and this slows down your flow. For some European languages, you could move characters permanently, instead of having a layer. For example, and to Alt-Shift combos of and to keys near UAO, allowing you to keep an almost normalless layout for coding and make room for your language's characters in the spots where they usually reside.
In Autoit, click Settings, then